If I can build a brand from the ground up and stand strong for 5 years, so can you. Hi, queens, bosses, and future CEOs. Welcome to the official launch of my YouTube channel. I'm DrTamTaylo, CEO and founder of Hair Luxury Company. And today I'm going to be sharing exactly how you can start your brand from scratch and build a legacy. If you're serious about turning your passion into profit, tired of watching everybody else live out their dreams, this video is for you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button because this channel is about luxury, business, beauty, and boss moves. Be real, starting your own brand can be very overwhelming. If I can build a brand from the ground up and stand strong for 5 years, so can you. I'm here to break it down step by step. I'm gonna give you the real, the raw, the roadmap. No gatekeeping over here. We just gonna keep it real. The first thing you must do before you launch a hair care brand is to know your why. Are you solving a problem? Are you filling in a gap in the market? Are you just creating something you wish existed in the market? For me, Hair Luxury Company was born because I wanted premium hair products that was 100% organic, specifically made to create a healthy scalp and grow hair in Black women with no compromise. First, you must ask yourself, what's the story behind my brand? What makes me so special? Who are you helping? Why should people trust your hair products? Because when things get tough, and trust me, they will get tough. Why will you keep going when they do? Why will you keep going? Basically, why am I keep going? Because I know my product good. That's why. You gotta know your why. Do your research. This is not the time to copy nobody else. I don't like copycats. Find your own lane. Ask yourself these questions. What makes your products different from everyone else? Are you focusing on hair growth, scalp health, luxury extension, vegan or organic formulas? Who exactly is your customer? Is it the high-end lady who shops at Saks? Or is it somebody that shops at Walmart, Target, or other places? The more niche you are in the beginning, the faster you will grow. Once you find your niche, these are people that's gonna shop with you all the time. Riches are in niches. Get you a niche. Now comes the exciting part, product development. There are 3 ways you can do product development. You can do private label, custom formulas, or do it yourself like me. I have a science background. You could create and test formulas all by yourself. I know I tested in my hair, I tested in my kids' hair, I tested in my sister's hair. Anybody who will allow me to like play in their hair. We test our products. So no matter what, you gotta focus on the quality of your ingredients. So for us, it was organic, raw product. We know it was 100% organic. That was, you gotta test, and test again. But before you start selling, when you do stuff yourself, you create your formulas, you have to continue to test because you wanna like go for 3 to 6 months because the product could just sit on the shelf. You wanna know what can happen. Can it get contaminated? You wanna know how your shelf life of your product. You also have to make sure your products are safe and effective and beautiful. 1 to 3 products, specifically 1, because you can have 1 product sell 1 million of those and you can be worth $14 million if it's $14 for 1 product, because you can always expand later. I saw a whole lot of other brands that came out, they had just 1 product initially, that was their 1 product that everybody knew, and then from there they took that 1 product and expanded into a whole spectrum of products. So that's one way that you should do it. That's how you should start with 1 to 3 products. The fourth thing is branding and packaging. We're still working on branding and packaging. Now, I'm all about brand. I love my brand. Branding is the glamorous side of the business. You got to come up with a powerful name. Easy to remember, easy to spell. Hair Luxury. A luxurious logo. You got to come up with a like clean logo. You have to have a clean brand, clean logo, clean brand colors that stand out. Hello, Hair Luxury. We're teal, gold, and white, honey. Those are our brand colors. Chic, clean packaging. People always make investments when it's chic, clean packaging. And also, you know, people are going to invest in something that says luxury. Always invest in good labels. There's so many companies out here you can do it yourself, but I always invest in a good label because we don't want the label to fall off when they had a bottle of shampoo in the shower. Design's consistent. So even with our original teal, gold, and white label, with our products that are for styling, we have black and gold and white label. The website, you're going to see teal, gold, and white everywhere. Instagram, our emails, you're going to get teal, gold, and white logo on the email. Branding, merchandise. They know the queen with the crown with the wild hair is Hair Luxury Company. So next, you got to get your paperwork together. Legalize it. Protect yourself. Protect selling your product. You're going to need your business license. So if you're an LLC, you're going to have to get your LLC, appropriate business structure for that, business accounts. Make sure you have product liability insurance. You can have from 1 million to 11 million. If you're going to create a brand, especially if you're using products like face products, skin products, hair products. Don't skip this step no matter how big or how small your brand is. We're building legacies, honey. This is not a side hustle. But once you've done all 5 steps, now it's time to launch. You got to pick a strong launch date, a date that resonates with your brand. For Hair Luxury, we were established in 2019, but guess what the date was? It was 11/11. That date meant something for us. A day of calmness. That means serendipity. 11/11 means it was supposed to happen. Everything on the up and up. All one across the board. Always do, like, if you guys Instagram or TikTok. I know a lot of people use TikTok, Thriller, whatever you got for your social media platform. I always give them teasers on what's to come from your brand. I liked when we first launched, we did a lot of behind the scenes shoots of our photo shoots where we were looking glamorous, because I like channel my whole like lifestyle for Hair Luxury brand with Kimora Lee Simmons. She is like one of my role models. I really loved her in the era of baby fat. She was the model mogul mom of 2 daughters, similar to me, and she modeled her brand and wore her brand. And that's the same thing with me. I'm wearing hair from Hair Luxury, honey. I wash my hair with Hair Luxury products. I style my hair with Hair Luxury products. I scrub my body with Hair Luxury products. All on the brand, all on brand. So shout out to Kimora. She inspired me when I was like young. So I really, really admire her. I want to be like a boss like her. So I'm on my way. We're bossed up. We bossed up. Mogul, beauty mogul. Also, you got to build your email list. So you build your email list with your customers. So basically, I always have a link or something on your website where you can have an email list where they can get like a discount code or something when they come to your website. People don't just buy the product, they buy you. Okay, if you're not giving beauty, how you gonna sell me something? You're not giving beauty. How you gonna sell me anything that's got to do with beauty? I do know I like to share my why I did it. I have 2 girls. It was hard to comb through their hair. It took me hours. We created this detangler cream I can comb their hair in less than 20 minutes. Well, detangle their hair in less than 20 minutes. It still take a long time because it's so thick. But I love to talk about the product, share your product benefits. I love sharing customer testimonies. If you go to the website, I have customers that rave over the product, how they know their hair felt totally different using something that was 100% pure organic versus products that's packed with inorganic materials and heavy oils in their products. One big tip I would say, you don't have to be everywhere. Focus on just your audience that hangs out the most with you. Like on Instagram, TikTok, and now we moving to YouTube. So hopefully we can get us some people to come shop with the brand on YouTube. I know my Instagram family, they always DMing how everything going, how the business, how you doing. And I appreciate. I really appreciate all the support. 300,000 supporters. Yes. I need y'all to come to YouTube. Come follow your girl on YouTube. I am excited about talking about building legacies, building brands, building businesses for healthy hair, all hair types, right? No discrimination. So that is it for this video. It's very short and sweet. You can go back and rewind and write everything down. I didn't give you like all the gems, but I gave you 5 good ones. And the 6th one was the best one to launch. I hope that this video helped you started to feel a little bit more confident about building the brand of your dreams. Again, if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe because you want me to come back with another video, don't you? And don't forget to turn on those notifications because I'm just getting started. And I want to give you all the boss moves to grow your beauty empire.